Ano ba to? Yun. Sabi ni ate, magbablog daw kami. Eh, tinatamad nga ako. At you wanna have a good night. Eh. Boy, eto na boy. Ta! Sheesh! Ang gwapo-gwapo ko. Ano na boy? Ganyan. Practicing. Wala ba? They're not starting anymore. We will start right now.
Okay.
So, for today,
Hi guys! So for today's video,
we will make a challenging
Yeah, so
challenges.
we're going to have to speak
English for a day.
So disclaimer,
We're not
Yeah.
smarter. We're not smarter. We are work harder.
so
So, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Let's cook
Let's go.
some.
Pancit Canton.
Let's cook.
So we're using Moose camera. Thank you for lending it to us. It's the DJI 2. I use my iPhone for everything. So I think it's gonna die soon. So thank you for lending this to me. So what are you cooking?
I'm cooking. Cooking.
Yes.
Yeah. Cooking.
Cooking what?
Cooking anything.
Cooking anything.
Because we don't have any breakfast right now. So, let's cook some.
Breakfast for 10:09 a.m.
Yeah. We called it late breakfast. Then later we will have late lunch pass. Because we don't take it slowly. It's lunch pass.
Oh my god. 2 pancit canton?
Pancit Canton, of course! That was very... Two amount. Ano yung English yung konti?
A little?
A little. I'm the one ready for a little time.
In a minute,
Nothing will let it go. I'm the one ready for... Pagka wala si mom. Oh! When your mom is not around, you're so happy, ah. Because there's no...
What did you say earlier this morning?
She said like, anong oras na tanghali na?
In English!
What time is it? It's ready lunch.
And the dog, right? And
Yeah,
and,
she said-
and the water dish, and the water.
She said like, the dog is not already clean. I told you to clean last night, ha? Kaya na lang. Kaya na lang bahala paano niya hindi sa Tagalog yun. Then,
And she told us that the water is color brown.
yeah,
And she's mad because she has to retake
Retake the laundry.
redo the laundry.
Retake? Ay, photoshoot.
Paghahalata ang ano,
Bobo.
ginapa ko lang UP. So guys, come on, watch us to cook pancit canton. You don't have to pressure the pancit canton, let it simmer.
Simmer. The simmer, you know simmer?
Huh. What?
When you sing, you're the simmer.
Singer yun.
Singer ba yun? Yeah, it's now cooking.
Ito mo. Ay, sorry. Stable.
Stable, because you have stabilizer. Tagal maluto. So, we will put some egg. You want malasado egg?
What's malasado in English?
Boiled egg.
What?
In English,
Yes.
medium rare.
Wow.
Because the egg yolk is not already cooked, but it's you can eat na. So, medium rare.
Okay.
The skill.
So what are you doing?
We will remove the shell. I learned it from TikTok. You will remove the shell of the egg. Yeah, that's right. But this is not already cooked, ah.
It's medium rare, huh?
Medium rare. Look.
Mama, don't speak Tagalog.
Let's see.
Very rare.
Very rare. This is the other one. I will show you.
What?
Let me show you how to remove this shit. First step, you will make a hole. Just like that.
Is that balut?
Wow. You're learning, huh? You're learning. I know that you will do this already. It's the egg of the dinosaur. The egg of the dinosaur.
Here, ma.
Matutunaw lang yan. Ano?
Oh, that's the egg of the dinosaur. Ooh. Yummers. You will mix that. And you will eat this. It's the power of the breakfast.
Here, mom bought some corn. I love corn.
Mm.
Okay, we'll eat now.
It tastes like dinosaur. T-Rex. Wala akong masabi. English ka pa ako. My mom asked for a seesaw. Here, a seesaw. Hey mom, here's the seesaw. Here's the seesaw you want. Guys, we joined the Slap Soil membership. So, the Slap Soil membership was the... Ano English yung merienda?
Snack.
The snacks was very dumb. And this is our snacks.
And this one.
And this one.
Not sponsored.
This is not sponsored. We bought this one. And
Sponsored by Ate.
we bought this one to flex to our neighborhood.
Pakayabang naman ito.
What? I cannot understand
Sorry,
you.
what?
Teka ko.
We bought some Coke.
Nakakapera lang.
You bought some Coke.
I bought some Coke.
Yeah. You bought. You
Wait.
buy.
Where should I buy? I'm not sure what...
Accent.
No, I'm not sure what would I say bought or buy.
Buy.
Buy. Bar. I just combined it buy and both. Buy.
Wala kang pera doon.
Pizza.
Kuha ang pera doon sa wallet ko. Yun ang Coke.
We don't understand Tagalog.
Kumuha kang pera doon.
What?
Kumuha kang pera.
Please refrain from speaking Tagalog.
You are not accepted when you speak Tagalog. The taste is very yummy.
Eh, ba't mo ako pinagpunasan?
Did you know why we have pizza? You know, because I'm watching K-drama. And they eat pizza there.
So you should watch more K-drama.
I crave pizza. You will see what?
The sparkling of the Coke. The spirit it comes out.
Ba't dalawa lang?
For you and for me.
Sing. What are you singing earlier?
Tatayo ko.
English!
At sabaw
English!
in every minute. That did I learn.
Full? Are you full?
I'm not already full.
I'm not already full.
Ako naman ito.
Of course. I didn't eat lunch, Mom,
Sure po.
because the main course was not available.
Galing ko!
Yung anak mo, hindi mo inalis ng private, pero tatanga ka.
The main course is not available.
I'm right. I know, I'm right. There's nothing wrong with did I say? Because
You're so laughing. Why are you laughing so bad? Huh? Why are you laughing? Why are you
Mom!
laughing? Come on.
Mom, do you think your daughter and son was dumb and stupid? No, we're not.
Yeah, yeah.
We can do this
We can do this all day.
and all
We can
the
do this
time.
all year.
And all the time because we're so very good in English.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know the English
We can
matters.
live now in Canada, America, New York City.
We can now live everywhere.
Yeah. Because we understand English language and we can speak in English language.
Wow.
How about you? How about you?
I have a lot that I say, but she said, "Wow,
Wow.
wow." Parang kang pumindot ng react sa Facebook ah.
Puro wow.
When you say something strange, then when you see something tasty, you said, "Wow."
Wow.
When you taste the pizza, you will say,
Wow.
You
yeah. That's right. You.
face here, and then you say wow. Go.
Wow.
When something is delicious, what you say?
Wow.
Wow.
Wow lang talaga.
It's very tasty when you hit it first.
Yes. You should hit it first. Hit it. Go.
Kahit ubus na, saka ka pa mag-ready.
Wow. Another one.
Wow. Mom, I challenge you. You will say wow in a different emotion and reaction. Okay.
Teka lang. Wait lang.
Okay. Say wow
When you're angry.
when you're angry. Wow! Wow!
That shook me.
Say wow when you are happy.
Wow.
Say wow.
You face here.
Say wow when you sad.
Wow.
Wow.
Diba?
Once again.
Wow. Again.
You're crying to your
Again.
Anong again?
Say wow when you're sad.
Wow.
When you're shocked. Wow. When you're hungry.
When you're hungry.
Wow.
Say wow when you don't have any more money.
Wow.
Wow. Now I know when you are that trip, you don't have any more money.
Aray ko. Ouch. Aray ko.
Say wow when you have a lot of money.
Wow.
Guys, did you see the sparkling of her eyes? Say wow when ates give you a money.
Lager ako. Ay,
Ay, English only.
English only ah! No, do not talk to me in Tagalog because I didn't understand anymore.
Yes.
Because we were practicing to live in out of the country.
Yes. Only yes.
Only yes you can say because you're so
We have a visitor now.
Visitor now?
This is my uncle.
This is
from
my
mother's
uncle, the
side.
bystander.
USA.
So, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
What's funny? And this is my tita from my mother's side again.
That is
They're
my
partners. They're partners. Hi, Tita Beth. Say hi.
Hello. Ano yan? Gusto kita? Nagbablog yan.
You will see this on our YouTube, okay?
On Monday, 6 p.m. at the middle of the night.
Look at my tito. He's so
Tanong-
handsome, right?
Ano mo sa mga fans mo?
What English?
English. Ask to your when we ask you to speak in English, you should laugh lang, ha?
Come on, you can do that. What?
No, talk to.
What can you say about your sibling?
Your
Yeah.
brother. So funny. So funny. Wow!
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 Hindi pa rin ako sanay sa camera na to. So, may mga Tagalog. So, hi. I'm not yet used to this camera. So, I wanna show you Harold, who's very... Ano gusto na masipag?
Ayoko na mag-vlog. Ayoko na mag-vlog.
What are you doing?
Presentation, boy.
What?
Mag-aaral ako. Huwag ka mag-vlog.
English! So, we can end this vlog already.
Indagad eh. Ate, na-stress na ako.
What?
I'm stressed out.
Because?
Ate, huwag ka na muna dumagdag.
Why? What's wrong?
I already...
What's wrong?
I'm just scanning this presentation because we will present it on
Okay.
English pa yan. Reflective essay.
What's wrong with
My
that?
English is nose bleeding.
Baka sabihin nila sa bantangan natin.
Kaya nga inaaral ko to eh. So in English,
Okay.
you should have introduction. In introduction, one should make the subject of the reflection. The second one is the body. The body is the over or lifeline to
Oh my
the
God,
text.
you're just reading it.
And the conclusion is the summary of the introduction and the body. Oh, hanggang doon lang kasi yung...
What? Sorry?
That the end. The end.
Puro tawa yung vlog na to.
Sunod na ano.
Okay.
Credits na yung mga nag... Kasi, the next one
Okay.
was the part of my partner.
Wow, what the part of your partner?
Oo, yes. Then, I make it icebreaker. Uy,
What's your icebreaker?
ice pick. You should break the ice. Because you should break the icebreaker. Oh, tama na. Tama na tayo. Mag-add na tayo icebreaker. Yeah.
Laptop ko yun.
Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter of Pak?
What's the matter?
What's the matter of Pak? It doesn't matter if this is yours or this is mine. Soon I will be having my own iPad. iPad
Mayabang ka!
Gen 5. 128 gigabyte.
Walang 128.
1 giga RAM.
Ano 1 giga RAM?
I'm gonna buy it. Oh, naghahantay ka pa.
Hindi pa end mamaya na.
Mamaya na, hindi pa tapos. This is not already done. Just for a while. We will having more clips for you. I love you. What are you looking for?
Sobrang walang kwenta nung
Shoutout sa inyo, hindi pa po graduate si LSU. Shoutout sa mga taga CLSU. SU kasi.
Next time makita niyo si Harold pag dinalaw namin si Sarah. Yung username mo sa TikTok, Showhacks. Pucha. Oh. Oh! Ano?
Pumikit ka, bilis!
Bakit?
Pumikit ka! Masaya
Oh.
ako! Dali!
Bakit? Oh, nakapikit na ako.
Dali ka dito! Dali! Ano yan? Dali ka dito! Bakit? Dalihan mo! Buti na rin naman ko! Ay, Diyos ko! Ang saya-saya ko! Ano yan?
Saan mo nakita ba?
Doon! Sa ano? nakaipit sa sulok ko.
Totoo? Ang tagal niya doon. Ang tagal ko hinanap doon. Wala, di ba?
Tangin, buti di ko na lang. Dat pala hinalungkat ko yun. Ginamit ko yun.
Sabi ko, isasampay kong ganun. May nakalawit. Akala ko, kwintas ko. Sabi ko,
Ala, ang saya.
kwintas ko ba? Sabi ko, hindi. Nung tinignan ko, wow.
Shoutout sa nanay ni Julia! Kirsten Ramos, shoutout sa'yo, tita.
yan.
Wala, ang tagal ko nitong hinanap, guys. As in.
Shoutout kay Pamilya Bukakaw. Next.
Yan, baka naman iwala mo pa yan.
Kunin mo na, akin na to. Deserve ko yan.
My bitch.
Si ate may totoong ganun. Ako wala.
Bye!
I-rotate mo na yung cellphone mo ng dahan-dahan. Yan. Portrait yan. Wala landscape ulit natin pero baligtad. Oh. Siyempre. Pag wala kami magawa, kayo naman pagtitripan namin. Ano?
English!
Tanga. Tagalog na.
Hindi, mag-English ka pa din.
Oh. Bahala kayo dyan. Kayo mag-adjust. Oh. I'm so in love with you.
We look beautiful as ever.
Tangik, baligtad.
Ay, mali.
Ayan. Shoutout kay Team. Ano to? Masigabo. Tsaka kay Christy. Ano to? Teta. Aquino. Kay Pamilya Bukakaw. Sa Calderon Compound. Salamat sa laging pagbukas ng gate.
So, Di Malanta family. Wala Sara.
Tsaka sa sarili ni Julia
Di
Kirsten.
Malanta family.
Di Malanta, wag na yun.
Sila Sara yun.
Ayoko. Si Ate Sara lang yun. Hindi naman maganda yun.